Sue, I feel like I'm melting down. This thing doesn't blow on me at all.
Ugh, yeah, this heat today is exhausting.
I'm telling you, there's nothing good in summer.
Come on, Sammy. It's not hot every day. And what about swimming, eating watermelons?
Watermelons? Well, of course! Refreshing watermelon crafts. That's what we need.
Great idea, Sammy. Hi, guys. Check out what we have here. A big, beautiful, and so summery watermelon. Just look at its striped skin and try to imagine its pulp. My mouth is already watering.
We all know how much you like watermelon, Sue. Hi, everyone!
That's right. And today we'll make a few cool and very delicious crafts using this marvelous fruit. Guys, ask an adult to help you divide your watermelon into 2 approximately equal parts.
Everybody should always be careful with a knife, you know.
And voila! Oh, it's so bright! Awesome!
I am ready to dig in!
Hold it. Nobody's eating just yet. But thank you for the spoon. Now we need to set our fruit free from its pulp. This is gonna be fun! Spoon by spoon. This is what you should get, guys.
Ahem, Susie, there's somebody waiting for you.
Sammy, it must have taken you so long to gather all these gummy bears together.
That's okay. You know that I like to be helpful.
That's true. Guys, be very careful and never use the cooker without adult supervision. Here come our gummy bears. Hop! Followed by drinking water.
How's that hot tub feeling, guys?
And now we'll add a tiny bit of watermelon-flavored gelatin. Perfect! Oh, this is gonna be great! And very tasty.
Come on, Sue! Take this from me! Guys, did you already guess what we're making here? If you did, then give us a thumbs up.
And if you didn't, watch closely. Here we go. This totally looks mesmerizing, right? Perfect! Now we'll use our favorite frozen magic. Are you ready, Sammy?
I was born ready! Ahem. Well, did it work?
Like a charm! Let's use our knife once more. Be careful with it, guys. This way. Yeah. And voila! A perfect watermelon jelly is served.
Let's try it! Tasty! I wonder what's next. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark.
Sammy, come on!
What? I was simply cosplaying the baby shark.
Yeah, and you happened to give the guys a hint about our next craft.
Really? Are we gonna make a watermelon shark?
Right you are! Once again, we need to cut our watermelon into 2 parts. But this time, one of them should be bigger. We'll draw the shark's mouth using a dry erase marker.
Make it bigger, Susie! Sharks have a huge mouth, you know.
I'm aware of that, Sammy, don't worry. And that's it! As you probably already guessed, guys, the next step will be to cut this part out. You gotta be really careful here. This way.
You can always ask an adult to help you. Crafting together is fun and safe. Whoa, what a job! She could easily swallow me without even chewing.
Don't you know that not all sharks are ruthless predators? Guys, we're gonna carve the shark's teeth. Let's start from the bottom jaw.
Wait a second. Are you implying that there are vegetarian sharks somewhere?
The scientists were quite surprised themselves when they discovered that the diet of the so-called bonnethead shark consists mostly of seaweed.
Oh my! This world never stops surprising me! Do you agree, guys? Then give us a thumbs up!
In the meantime, we're halfway through. Just look at these teeth, guys. Cool, huh? Let's speed up with the upper jaw, though. Whoosh! Just a tiny bit left, guys. We need to make these scary teeth look neater. We'll just cut off the green part of the peel so that the light greenish part becomes visible like this.
Holy cannoli, what delicate work, Sue!
Thank you, Sammy. I guess we're missing something.
The fin, baby?
Right, Sammy. This way. Great!
But how are we going to eat all that tasty pulp that's been left inside?
Actually, I was hoping you could help me out.
Can I? Really? Awesome! All done.
Great job, Sammy. Here comes one last touch. Blueberry eyes, and that's it. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, check out what Sue is doing. What are you up to this time, Sue?
Oh, trust me, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna give you a hint. Ta-da!
Tasty watermelon slices that do look like the layers of a cake!
Yay, you guessed! And the best part is that we don't need to bake it. Isn't that cool, guys?
So what? No sponge cakes, no buttercream?
Nope, just fresh and delicious fruit. Check this out. Here we have strawberries, blueberries, and kiwi. Everything perfectly matches in taste. The rest is as simple as it can be. We take the first layer of our cake, cover it with our fruits, and repeat.
No decorations? Look at what I found!
You're right about time, Sammy. Let's make little stars from fruit now. Hop! And that's it.
Come on, Susie, only a few kiwi stars are missing here.
There we go. Oh, getting creative is so much fun!
This is so much yum, if you ask me.
And here is our amazing fruit cake / fruit salad in all its glory. Guys, before we start digging into our watermelon crafts, we have some pulp leftovers. So I thought, why don't we make a perfect, refreshing ice cream right now? Or I'd rather say popsicles. Hop!
While the blender is blending, take a second to subscribe to our channel, people!
And that's it. Now we need to carefully distribute this juice over these forms. Like this, guys. You should have some space left over here. And the last one, great! Now these guys are going to the fridge. In the meantime, we're going to work with yogurt. Yummy!
A yogurt? But Sue, we already made a watermelon ice cream before, and we didn't deal with something like that back then.
I know, Sammy, but this time we're doing it differently. Do you mind cleaning the blender while I'm whisking yogurt and sugar? We're gonna need it again.
Sounds mysterious. I'm on it!
Now let's check on our popsicles. Aha! They are just perfectly frozen for me to be able to insert the actual popsicle sticks into them. Here we go.
That's unbelievable! You got me busy while you're doing the most important part here!
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sammy. Here, you can carefully add the yogurt into each ice cream mold. 2 spoons will be enough. In the meantime, we'll prepare the final layer of our popsicles. Here come cabbage leaves. I know that might sound strange, but they will give us the perfect greenish color that we desperately need. Now we need to add some ginger and honey. There we go.
Are you sure that we're still making popsicles here, Sue?
Oh, Sammy. 1 cup of orange juice. The lid. And go! Okay, now that the yogurt layer has also become firm, we'll pour this green juice on top of each mold. Like this. And in about 3 hours in the freezer, our popsicles will be ready.
3 hours? Come on! That's what I call the real magic!
Wow, Sammy, it worked! Let's see. There you go. Delicious and nutritious summer snack.
Guys, quick! Let's recollect everything we did today before Sue eats all the popsicles without me! Pretty refreshing, huh?
I guess we no longer need this. Guys, thanks for being with us today. Give a thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe.
We will amaze you with new crafts very soon. Bye-bye!
Okay, one more piece. Mmm.